Hello, it's Stu Sensei here to hit you up with another great English phrase. Today's one is put by. Put by. So this phrase, put by, means to save money. So maybe you are looking to get ready to go on holiday somewhere this year. Maybe you need to save some money for that. So what you could say is that you are putting by some money for a holiday. You could also say, to sound supernatural, you're putting by some money for a rainy day. That example is if you're just saving a bit of money in case you have a day off or a day where there's not much happening, so you can use it on that occasion. I hope this has been useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Try and use it in the comments down below. I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!